So hi everyone, welcome to VIEH daily job sharing series where I'm going to share you a couple of job links which from where you can apply, get just some jobs, right? So if you want any email ID, just comment it down because I've added in each and every post. But just let me know if you want personally. But by the way, you can subscribe because we are bringing on daily basis. It took a lot of efforts. Read it out this disclaimer. Let's start with the first hiring we have is in ESEC 40. They want 2 to 4 years of experience, immediate joiners, Noida, AppSec and API mobile application pen testing. This is the mail ID nidhi.bakchi@esec40.com. So guys, there's a lot of hiring for the pen testers. So in case if you want to learn about web application pen testing, then you can check out this URL vihgroup.com/TCI. Right. Let me see you there. Next opening is for L1 3 to 5 years of experience. This is for SOC, right, which is the analyst role. Immediate 15 days notice period should be there. This is in Hyderabad, work from office, technical skills, all these skills is required, and all these as well. This is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Microsoft DLP administration, guys. If you feel like I'm going fast, just slow it down. This video, 5 to 7 years of experience is required, and who can take charge from 1 day means they should have good experience. And what you'll do all those things. Location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Vizag, Chennai, India. 5 to 7 years of experience is required. This recruiter's mail ID, and this is what you need to include in the subject line, right? Next one is someone is hiring for security delivery team lead and network security analyst. This one required 6 to 9 years of experience, and this one need 4 to 6 years experience. This is the mail ID rohini.ahmad@essentials.com, right? Next one is again ESEC 40. They want pen testers, 2 to 4 years of experience required, Mumbai and Bangalore, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Hiring VAPT engineers, 4 years of experience is required, Thane 9 LPA, 4+ years. This is mobile application pen testers they want, and VAPT, and this is exactly uh, what you can see the mail ID of the recruiter, right? They want you to join immediately. That's what we have today. If you want to learn about web application pen testing, check out this URL. If you want to learn about SOC, check out this URL because that is going to help you, right? That's what we have. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Let's see you in next video. Jai Hind.